together. 1, 2, 3, count with me so happily. 4, 5, 6, what could it be? 7, 8, 9, open that 10 with me. Oh, 10 with me. Crack it open, slow and steady. Are you super ready? Ready? Wow, look what we see. A colorful toy smiling at me. Is it red or is it blue? Maybe yellow just for you. Green or purple, shiny bright. Colors make our world so light. What shape is it? Circle, star,